Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode. My screen just went black there for a second, but let's get back into it. I'm John Swicky. Thanks for joining us this week. We're doing things a little bit differently this week. We've got kind of, we're kind of all over the place today. We definitely got some video focused things that we're going to get into, and then maybe some data stuff at the end. Mix of some updates and a mix of some new stuff that I've been playing around with that I want to share with everybody today. So, all right. So first up, we got a tweet from the founder of Heygen. And for those who don't know what Heygen is, it is like an AI kind of video with platform with basically AI avatars. So the founder just kind of tweeted a kind of a new 2.0 that they're rolling out. And apparently what we're looking at right now is just some incredible lifelike AI avatars that they're going to roll out within the next, looks like maybe weeks, maybe. Oh, it looks like there's already a wait list. You know, it's fascinating. I thought we can actually maybe try to make one today real quick. So let's get into it real quick. So actually in Canva, you can actually play with some of these avatars. So I want to try to see what we can do and see how quickly this goes. Okay, so I'm going to use this cartoon guy that has glasses with great hair. And I'm going to say hi there, welcome to my channel. I'm going to use this. All right, we're going to use Tony. And then let's see, we're going to generate this AI video here. And let's see. All right, this is going to be a few minutes. So while that waits, let's get into our other update. So Runway is very popular for those who haven't played around with it yet. The kind of the image to video kind of platform that's, I'm sure people have seen some demos. We've got a video on that as well over on our channel. They're going to extend their Gen 2 videos to up to 18 seconds. So before, I believe it was 3-4 seconds, something like that. But now they're going to be able to do 18. I just think that's cool because, I recently played with the platform and just kind of, the things like that make you excited for the creativity possibilities of just being able to like bring some old images to life and do kind of some interesting things with it. So yeah, 18-second videos now. So it's going to be interesting to see what that looks like. Let's check back in. Let's check back in on our guy here. All right, let's see. I mean, for those of you listening, it's pretty good. There's not a lot of text, right? This is a 2-second little clip, but I don't know. I think that's going to be pretty cool. All right, so keeping on our video theme this week. So Vimeo released a couple of new features, and one of them is AI script generation. So if you're one of their plans, you're able to generate a script. You can kind of create scripts depending on your platform. It's right built right into their apps. Looks very much like just like your prompting. I like to tell how long your video is going to be, your tone. That's pretty cool. And they do have a teleprompter feature, which is pretty cool. I started to kind of peek at that. Really like that setup there. Let's see if we can read more about the teleprompter. Easy use. That's pretty cool. I do like that. Quite frankly, that is something I think I might use one of these days. And just being able to kind of have it be kind of like a transparent window. So pretty cool. Pretty cool stuff from Vimeo. I haven't heard much from them or seen much from them, but they've got definitely got some stuff here for you to take a look. I'm definitely going to play around with that teleprompter feature because that would be really nice to have right now, actually. So Vimeo, new script generator. I don't know what they have under the hood. That's one thing I want to start trying to figure out is with some of these things, like what, is it, OpenAI API wrapper, some sort of customized prompting, but nothing I saw in any documentation just yet. Okay, so I just started playing around with this one a little bit. It's called Decipher AI. There's a lot of marketing speak here, but you could, you get some transcriptions. You're able to get some audiograms out of it. It looks like, let's see, where's there some use cases here? Features. Looks like you can get like automated show notes for podcasts, which is pretty cool. You just kind of upload it. Yeah, blog article, show notes, tweet thread. It's a pretty interesting kind of data suite here. Content suite. Let's take a look at this. Okay, so they give you a little free plan that allows you to play around with, which is important. So yeah, definitely looks like so if you have some kind of content that you want to repurpose, it seems like you can kind of do a lot with this app. Haven't tried it out yet. It's on the list this week. I want to see if there's anything there. All right, next up, Cast Magic. Kind of a similar vibe as Decipher. What I find too is with some of these tools, again, there's some overlap, but I think depending on the type of content you're feeding in, you might find one's better than the other. And let's see what we got here for features. Tweets, social posts. Timestamps are nice. That's kind of nice. So you can upload your YouTube, ChatGPT, but for your audio file with token limits, magic chat. Okay, interesting. So Cast Magic. Oh wait, here we go. Use cases. So coaching, generate worksheets, plans, summaries, reports for coaching sessions. All right. Podcasts, turn your podcast into email, blog posts, social media posts, and more. Pretty neat. Meetings, kind of transcribe some stuff there. And for YouTube, find clips, hooks, quotes. All right, give it a shot. This is probably going to be one I'll add to the list. All right, and finally, so, I've been looking for some more data-driven, some apps to play around with for some projects I'm working on. And, this one was pretty interesting. I think, they had some integrations built in, which caught my eye. Love a free plan for the builders out there. I gotta tell you, the free plans get me hooked, and I sign up more often. But it looks like, hey, you kind of hook up some data, and you can kind of start kind of. Let's watch this video real quick here. Give me the name of all the worksheets on the basic plan. Give me the email of the owner of the last workspace to join the pro program, and include the name of that worksheet. So you kind of have this natural language searchability with your data. You're not really writing SQL commands, but one thing I did see on this demo, which is pretty cool, it looks like when you chat, actually, it will give you the SQL command that it ran. So I think that's really cool, especially if you're learning, or you haven't done any SQL work in a long time. I think that could be really cool. So I like that. I have not tried this yet. I don't have quite my data sets ready to go, but we will definitely give this a shot. This is going to be on the list. So that looks like that might be it for us today, guys. So a lot of video updates. AI avatars are looking. So to recap, we got AI avatars looking crisp, looking sharp. New launches from Vimeo. The AI script generator looks pretty cool. And then some more ways to kind of do more with your content with Decipher and Cast Magic. And then a little data on top here at the end with Querio. Thanks, everybody. We will include all links for everything in the show notes, and we'll see you next week. Thanks, everybody.